Good morning, guys. Today is
hangover day.
no. Today is 24th of February 2019 and we both get drunk last night. I feel horrible.
Yeah, me too.
I've been sick everywhere. We're just going out now to get something to eat. Hunt of McDonald's. So we're gonna take a taxi and go to McDonald's. Here's the taxi. We are in a taxi. We're going to McDonald's.
You got the money, yeah?
Yeah,
Definitely.
McDonald's.
£10 an hour.
We're here. We saw the McDonald's.
Is this where we came yesterday?
Yeah.
I don't think we walked this far, did we?
Oh, probably not because we passed the English pub, didn't we?
Yeah.
So no, this is not.
I don't think we came this far because you were moaning the whole time. Oh, can't be bothered. Oh, my leg.
McDonald's. McDonald's here in Agadir, Morocco.
Triple cheeseburger.
There you go. Let's get some ice cream, it's hot. Ice cream. It's swimming time. Let's go swimming. Swimming time. He's ready.
You.
Two towels.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
Nice
you.
towels.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my God! Jesus Christ, it's really cold.
It is really cold.
Oh. we are going for dinner and then shop later on to get some snack.
First, we're going to go and sort that naughty security
Oh
guard
yeah,
out.
yeah.
We ordered McDonald's from the security guard, paid him 250 dirham. He promised to bring it to the room last night when we were drunk. I waited 2 hours and he didn't come. He's proper robbed us, so we're going down there to sort him. Get our money back.
Yeah, so be careful. If you go and visit here, don't give your money to the security guard.
Not even
Go
just
and-
that, I was drunk, starving, waiting for my big tasty, double cheese, whatever. Did it come? No. Was I still hungry? Yeah. No, I was passed out. Grace was already passed out, being sick.
Yeah, we were really drunk last night. You should watch the video.
If you're lucky, like, comment and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you want to see Grace being sick. I have footage.
I deleted it though. No, I
Not off
didn't.
my phone, she didn't.
Oh
yeah. Bit of everything.
Ooh, lovely. Very nice. How's your belly?
Not as big as normal. Cheers.
Cheers! We are going back to our bedroom now because we have to wake up early tomorrow for Atlas mountain trip. So, good night everyone!